Today, I'm going to show you how to use the if function in Excel. Once you learn this, you'll feel super powerful. You'll be a master coder, and it's can allow you to do a lot of fancy things in Excel, but it's pretty simplex once we take a look at it. So we are going to first work in a blank Excel book, an Excel sheet, and we're going to write in Apple in cell A1. And then to see our if function in action, we're going to click on an empty cell, and then we're going to do this here in the formula bar. You can also do this here by double clicking in the cell. You're going to write in equal sign and then if. So these are all the functions that Microsoft has built into Excel. You can do a lot of crazy mathematics that I will never be touching. You won't either, unless you're a huge nerd. You're just going to click on this, and it tells us right here what it does. Checks whether condition is met and returns one value if true and another value if false. We're going to click on this. We'll double click the if, and it will pop up if in an open parentheses. And then here are all of the little items we're going to put in our if statement. There's a logical test that we put in, then a comma, then the value if true, and then a comma, and then the value if false. So for our logical test, we're going to test whether this says apple in it. So you're only going to test like one thing it's going to say for this simple if statement right now. If this is apple, then say we've got an apple. Else, if it's not an apple, then say we don't have an apple. So we're going to click on this cell to select apple, because that's the cell we're going to be testing. We can also write in A1. I'm going to click on A1. So if A1 is equal to apple, I'm going to do another equal sign. If A1 is equal to, and then we're going to test it against the text apple. So how we communicate to that to Excel is with quotation marks, and it just looks like this, apple. So that's how you tell Excel you're looking for a text value of apple. And so that's our logical test. If A1 equals apple, and then what do we want Excel to return within this cell, A3? This is the value if that's returned if our logical test comes out as true. So we're going to do a comma, and then value if true will return a text value saying we've got an apple. So again, we're going to use those quotation marks, and we'll say we've got an apple. And then end the quotation marks, and you see that we're on value if true. And then to get the value if false, we're just going to put another comma in, and our value if false is, we'll say, another text value of we might have a banana, dot, dot, dot. Quotation marks to end it, and then an ending parentheses. So you can take a guess as to what will come out in A3. We can either press enter or click on this green checkbox to finish our formula. Oh, we've got an F. Very nice. And now we're going to change this cell. A3 is still referring to A1 with its formula. So we can change the contents of A1. And this is dynamic. It change as well. We're going to change apple to banana. And I'll press clean check. We might have a banana. So that's a simple if statement. Really easy once you get a little bit used to them. And you can do some really crazy things with them. Thanks for watching.